Chapter number 4, Moving Charge and Magnetism. First, we show facts that matter. In 80-20, Oersted observed that when a magnetic compass is placed near to a current-carrying conductor, it deflects, which indicates that a current-carrying conductor produces a magnetic field in a space surrounding it. Guys, when we placed magnetic compass is near to current carrying conductor, it deflects. That it indicates that a current carrying conductor produces magnetic field around it. Okay guys. He also discovered that when a conductor carrying in direction south to north is placed over a magnetic compass, the needle of the compass deflects toward west. It is known as Snow rule. સ્નોનો રૂલ કયો છે આપણને ખબર હોવી જોઈએ. When a conductor carrying in the direction south to north is placed over a magnetic compass, the needle of the compass deflects toward west. It is known as snow rule. Snow rule માં જે needle હોય એ deflect toward west. SI unit of magnetic field intensity or magnetic induction flux intensity is Tesla. Magnetic field intensity or magnetic induction flux intensity, its SI unit is Tesla or Weber per meter square. WB means Weber. Okay. Now guys, જોઈશું Biot-Savart law. Biot-Savart law. The law states that the magnetic field due to small current element of length dl carrying current I is directly proportional to the strength of current perpendicular length of the conductor and inversely proportional to the square of the distance from the current element to the point where magnetic field is determined as shown in figure. Here guys show that magnetic field length કેટલી છે dl carrying current I is directly proportional to strength of current perpendicular length of the conductor and inversely proportional to the square of the distance from the current element. હવે guys, first magnetic field is proportional to current, also proportional to inverse of square of distance from the current element. So guys, dB proportional to dl sin theta or dB proportional to IDL sin theta upon r square. Okay, or dB is equal to mu 0 IDL sin theta upon 4 pi r square. When theta is the angle between line joining the point and the current element and mu 0 is magnetic permeability of free space. Here mu 0 is a magnetic permeability of free space. dB is equal to mu 0 IDL sin theta upon 4 pi r square. In vector form, dB is equal to mu 0 IDL into r upon 4 pi mod of r cube. This is the vector form. Okay guys, ફરી કહું Biot-Savart law શું ઇન્ડિકેટ કરે છે magnetic field proportional to current and also proportional to 1 upon r square. Then we will get dB is equal to magnetic field is equal to mu 0 ideal sin theta upon 4 pi r square. In the vector form, dB is equal to mu 0 ideal cross r upon 4 pi mod of r cube. Okay. Magnetic field is a vector quantity and its direction can be determined by any one of the rule. Okay guys, this is the left hand rule, this is the right hand rule. Okay. Left hand rule. If the current carrying conductor is held in right hand keeping the thumb in the direction of current, then the curved finger which represented magnetic field. જે curved finger છે એ indicate શું કરે છે magnetic field. Thumb indicate current direction. Okay. Tangent drawn at a point on magnetic field line indicates the direction of magnetic field. Then after right hand screw rule, if we advance a screw by right hand in the direction of current, the grip of finger rotating will represent magnetic field. And the tangent on field indicates the direction of field shown in figure. Here guys, see. જે thumb છે इसमें इंडिकेट करे છે डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. જે कर्व फिंगर છે grip of the finger indicates direction of the magnetic field. Okay guys. And right hand palm rule. When we stretch the palm of our right hand keeping the thumb perpendicular to the finger, and if current is the direction of thumb finger point toward the point where the direction of magnetic field is determined in figure D. Okay guys, तो right hand rule and left hand rule વિશે આપણે જોયું. right hand rule માં શું હતું, જે કરંટ છે ડાયરેક્શન એ શું ઇન્ડિકેટ કરે છે કરંટનું ડાયરેક્શન, જે થંબ છે તે ડાયરેક્શન. કર્વ ફિંગર છે તે ડાયરેક્શન ઓફ મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડ ઇન્ડિકેટ કરે છે. ઓકે, તમે કઈ રીતે હોલ્ડ કરો છો એને પર ડિપેન્ડ છે. જો આના વિશેનું ડિસ્કશન આપણે ચેપ્ટર સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 10માં પતાવીને આવ્યા છે. સો આના વિશે ડિટેલમાં જોવું જરૂરી નથી, પણ તમને યાદ હોવું જોઈએ કે તમે કયો હેન્ડ હોલ્ડ કરો છો અને તેમાં હેન્ડની અને કર્વ ફિંગરની ડાયરેક્શન શું સૂચવે છે. મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડ થંબ ઇન્ડિકેટ કરે છે કે કરંટ ઇન્ડિકેટ કરે છે. કર્વ ફિંગર શું ઇન્ડિકેટ કરે છે, પરપેન્ડિક્યુલર જે દોરવામાં આવે છે તે શું ઇન્ડિકેટ કરે છે, એ બધું તમને મોડું હોવું જોઈએ. ઓકે ગાઈઝ, આવતીકાલથી આપણે ફોર્થ ચેપ્ટર સ્ટાર્ટ કરીશું વિથ બેઝિક. ઓકે ગાઈઝ, થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. આ ફિગર તમે જોજો એટલે તમને મોડે થઈ જશે.